Hello everyone, welcome back to LoopMap. In today's video, we're going to crochet a cute single-layer 5-petal flower. Let's get started together. This little flower is completed in just one round using the magic ring method. We'll crochet 5 sets of stitches, and each set contains 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 1 slip stitch, which together form 1 petal. Next, let me show you the step-by-step process. Hold the yarn with your left hand. Then insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop to form a ring, and we can begin crocheting the first petal. Start with 2 chains. Yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook to make 1 chain. Then repeat the same step for the second chain. After the 2 chains, crochet 2 double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. That completes 1 double crochet. Repeat the same steps for the second double crochet. Once the 2 double crochets are done, crochet 2 more chains. Finally, make 1 slip stitch. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, and pull the yarn through both the ring and the loop on your hook. The first petal is now complete. Continue crocheting 4 more petals in the magic ring using the same method. After all 5 petals are finished, pull the yarn tail to tighten the magic ring. Then chain 1 to secure the yarn. Leave about a 3-inch tail and cut the yarn. Weave in the ends, and your single-layer 5-petal flower is complete. That's all for today's video. Enjoy your crocheting time, and thank you for watching.